first things first, what I want to do is I want to build a lead capture page for this. I want to build a page that introduces people to this. I want to build a page that basically gets people into this. So to do that, there's these sections over here. There's this section here called Bridge Pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this Bridge Pages icon, and I'm going to create a new bridge page. Okay, now we're constantly adding more. We're going to be adding a lot more in here as well. But there's just these different types of pages. Here's this long form. This clean slate is a long form, build your own big long page. But the one that you're going to want to probably do is lead capture. Okay, so here's the lead capture page. Let's title it. Pinterest Ads Crash Course for free version or something like that. Permalink. This is like, you know, your domain, Pinterest ads, whatever, .smartmember.com/whatever you want it to be. So let's just say join. Okay. So now I've got my page settings. Next is social sharing. This is how it's going to look when you share it on social media. I'm going to skip that for now, but that's how it's going to look on social media. One thing I could do is I could choose really quick. Remember, if you have Usign, you're going to be able to go to Usign and choose your Usign files. But I'll just choose one of these really quick just to grab one, put it there. Okay. But then I'm going to close that. General settings. This is the background. You could change the background image. It's got a picture of a car in the background. So maybe that's what I want to do is I want to basically look up, like I did earlier, some Pinterest wallpaper. You know, see if I can find maybe some, you know, the Pinterest type wallpaper or something like that. Find something big. Let's view this image and let's see if I can grab this one. I don't know if it's going to be too. This one might be too big. Let's save it. I don't really like it because it has the logo on it. But something with that color would be pretty cool. But just watch, clear. And I just want to show you for the sake of showing you how easy this is to design your welcome page. It's going to take a minute because that's a big file. It's like a big, huge file. But look, I can make it the color. That's more Pinterest color. Okay? So there's my general settings. The header is this tagline up there. Okay, so there's a tagline that's going to go up on the top. See that? And then there's a headline. Tagline and headline. So the tagline will be something like, if you want to learn Pinterest, if you want to learn how to advertise on Pinterest, this course is for you. And then tagline text, of course, we'll make that more readable. Okay. And then for the headline might say something like, for a limited time, you can join the Pinterest Ads Crash Course 100% free on this page. Okay. And there you go. And then you can change the headline font size. You can change the color, stuff like that. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. And when you're done, you can shrink it, header. Then you have video. If you want to put a video to be able to do, you know, say whatever you want, let's just end it right there. And then you've got opt-in. Now for opt-in, there's a lot of cool stuff you can do. Enter your name and email below. So type something in there. Opt-in form providers. You can use SmartMember or you can use any embed code from like a third party, you know, Aweber or whatever, get the custom embed code, or you can just use SmartMember. And you can basically choose an email list. What you would do is you would go build an email list first. We'll kind of come back and do one. We'll do, let's do, for this one, let's do, just to keep it, let's just do Team Shopify. I'll change it. And I can show you how to build a list. You could, and in fact, we should put a little link here that says, or create a new list. Redirect URL. This will be the URL that the user will be redirected to after they subscribe. So you could basically redirect them to anything you want, to any page that you want. Choose access level to grant. If you had created a bunch of different levels, you could give them access to like a free level or whatever. Put it there. We'll come back and we'll edit this in a minute. I'll show you how to do that. Thank you message. If the redirect URL is left blank, the form will submit and show this message after they sign up. So this will change. So this could say something like, check your email for instructions, or check your email for your username and password to join for free. Okay. You can hide the name field if you want and have it just be email, make it as simple if you wanted. And you could actually put you could put some placeholder in there instead of full name and email address, and then turn opt-ins into members. You know, that's a pretty cool one. And there you go. You've got a form. That's set up. We'll come back here and we'll edit that maybe later. But now your button right there, there's your button text color. And you know what? The same thing that I was teaching you earlier, come in here, get this, get this same color. Pick a color from the page. Get that same color, whatever your color is. Get that color and make it work for you. So watch, more, paste. Now I got that same color. Choose. So might as well keep things themed the same way, right? That's kind of cool. Or maybe what you'll do is you'll do that here and make that text that color, and then you can make this one, white or whatever, or yellow or blue or, green or whatever. And it saves that color down here. I forgot to show you. It actually saves it. You can actually make these boxes anything you want. So you can actually make it like, you can make it like blue like that. You can make it any color you want. So in this case, let's make it that red just to show you the difference, and let's make it that white. So really cool how you can customize everything here. Let's change the button. And then the footer, this is where you'd put like your privacy policies, your terms, conditions, any of that kind of stuff. You probably don't want it green. You probably want it white or something like that. Your copyrights down there. Now, custom footer HTML, you can actually add anything that you want, and it'll go right there. The page will keep going. You can basically build a long form page and have it be, anything that you want. Put pictures, videos, everything that you want. You can go right there. You can go build the page down as long as you want. Okay, but in this case, we're going to leave that alone. Okay, so what you've done is you've built a page, and you just press save. You could view it in responsive if you wanted. So there's your page, join. So now you have at /join, you literally have for a limited time, somebody can come in here and they could join your site or whatever. They could come in here and it says check your email for your username and password to join for free. Super simple. Okay, so now you can send them to this join page just like that. That's how you would build it. You would basically come in here and you could basically build a join page. You could customize this all you want. There's a million different ways to do it. And if you wanted, look, build. If you really wanted to, you could actually, remember core pages? You can actually change your front page, edit, and that front page could actually be your bridge page. Choose a bridge page. Pinterest ads free version. Now your front page can actually be your join page. So you can actually set it if you wanted to that way. You could actually have your front page be a page where everybody joins. So people go to your to your site. You could set it up that way. There's lots of different ways. See, this is actually the /lessons page. So you could set it up so that it's like it could be, if you go to pinterestads.smart, remember it goes here. Or if I have a name that's mapped like pinterestadscrashcourse.com, it would be here. Now, of course, just for a disclaimer, you guys, I wouldn't actually use the word Pinterest, the logo. I wouldn't use that. I'm really just showing you guys an example, okay? I would avoid the trademarked names. I'd come up with something creative. Like for my course, I'm calling it Dark Post Profits instead of Facebook Ads Profits, because dark post is a generic word. Facebook's the trademarked word. So here you go. You can build this page right here. As soon as people get in, you can send them over here to the lessons page. You can do all this. There's lots of different options for what you could do. It's all here. You can build as many pages as you want right there, okay?